Hey, what's up, everybody? LeFave in the house right now with a couple of updates for Vanced GT Skin version 1.5.0. This is the early release. There's 5 new options that are available for you that will be eventually available to all pro members inside of Virtual DJ. But you follow me, that way I give you all this information first. All right, the first one is very, very awesome, I think, if you're broadcasting directly from Virtual DJ or recording. You now have the broadcast button directly here on the mixer tab, broadcast or record. If you don't see this tab here, go on the top, and this is what you have to hit. This is the for the mixer. So right there, if it's not enabled, you'll see that whole stacked panel is no longer there. So there it is. Now it's there. Now that it's there, let's go to option number 2 that's been added to version 1.5. Click this little option here, and you now have all of your options for broadcasting and recording. So you can change everything you need right within the skin. Super, super awesome, super convenient. We love Alex for that. Now, the next one I don't personally have a need for, but you might, so I'm going to show it to you. If you're right here in the little jog wheel, you click this little menu button, and on text line 3A, you can add information for user 1-2, user 1, or user 2. So make with that of you will. It's just an option that is there. Now, we are going to save the best one for last. So this one is number 4. There's one more after this, so stay tuned. You can remove the grid lines inside your center waveform display. So just click on this little settings arrow here, and then for grid lines, just click off, and they're gone, and they're gone. Now the next one I want in all of its glory, so we're going to pick two songs up here, and this is really, really neat in my personal opinion. There is a stacked option where you really can condense down the size and get full-length waveforms. I don't know why no one's done this before in another skin on Virtual DJ. So we're going to go up here in the top for this. Instead of picking no extended, no horizontal, no vertical, we're going to do stack. Look what that does. It gives you so much more space on that side over there, and then stacks your tracks on top of each other, deck A, deck B. I think this is a really, really rad addition. It only enhances how awesome we all think that this skin already is and looks for all of us. So again, I'm LeFave, bringing virtual DJ tips, Touch Portal, OBS Studio. I'm also doing some gaming on the side. A little bit of Mario Maker 2 is a lot of fun on my live streams, and we're virtually walking across America. So we're staying busy on this channel, but if you guys like DJ stuff, let me know in the comments. I'll keep coming up with it. If you just like general entertainment, hanging out, kicking back with the homies, we offer that too here, all right? Thank you to all of my channel sponsors that are down here, all 2080 you guys right now. This is amazing, amazing. Subscribe, turn on notifications. See you on the next live stream. I'm LeFave, out.